Hey there, did you know that the secret to unlocking better health might already be in your fridge? Yep, I'm talking about dairy. It's not just the stuff you pour in your coffee or slather on toast. Dairy is a nutritional powerhouse. Let's break it down. First, there's milk packed with calcium. It helps keep your bones and teeth strong. But it doesn't stop there. It's also a great source of vitamin D, which works like a sidekick to calcium, helping your body absorb it better. Then there's yogurt, a gut health superhero. Rich in probiotics, yogurt supports digestion and boosts your immune system. Cheese lovers, you're not left out. Cheese is not just delicious, but it's also loaded with protein and essential fats. And you know what? Even butter in moderation has its perks. It's high in fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A and K2. Now let's talk sources. From cow's milk to goat's milk, and even plant-based options fortified with calcium, the variety is endless. And guess what? Choosing organic or grass-fed options can add even more nutrients to your plate. So, whether you're sipping a glass of milk or enjoying a cheesy snack, remember, dairy isn't just food, it's fuel for your body. Ready to embrace the health powers of dairy? Start small and see how it transforms your day. Cheers to good health.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel.